Going on, guys? I'm in the middle of a day trade right now, seeing if I can get a little more profit off of this ticker FTFT. Seems to be some news about this ticker, and it went up $1 this morning. Bunch of movement, and I'm sitting with 2,000 shares right now, up about 100 as we speak. I'm just waiting for it to go up a little more so I can sell it and go on to the next trade. Hoping for a big boost. As you see up here, went up to 320. That'd be really good if it did that. Just come up and buy. Need a big buyer right now to just market buy or something. I'll sell it. Alright, I'm up 134 off of this one. I can't see where the fuck Apple is. There we go. Apple's going up. Let's see what else we could do with plug. Plug might be coming back down. You always got to check the different charts and see if the RSI is low. So if the RSI is low on most of them, then that's a good buy. Yeah, it's looking like I won't buy in just yet. I have to wait for a good opening. I'll buy 100 shares. See what happens. Hopefully we catch it at 44.35. Nope, doesn't look like we'll catch it there. Alright. Looks like Apple is definitely riding up. I'll buy 100 shares of Apple really quick. Make a couple dollars. Back to plug. I'll buy in. Alright, so I got 100 shares of plug right now. Hoping for a big kick up to the 60s, 70s, 80s. Let's see it. Nope. I don't want to sell just yet. I'm hoping that it doesn't go down to where I wanted it. Yep. Average down. Holding 200 shares. Let it go back up. Come on. See what the people are buying. Big sellers, big sellers. People are buying thousands of shares, so we'll keep a stop loss for 100. Hopefully it never passes that. Oh, okay, so I'm up $56 right now in plug. Wow, Tesla's at 787 right now. I think that's an all-time high. Yep, the high is 794 10 minutes ago. Yeah, Tesla is going crazy. I want to go back to plug because there's a lot of volatility in this play right now. Catch it at 39 and let's ride it. There we go. Stop loss. So if no matter what, I'm gonna gain $4 off of that. See, you want to stop your loss just in case it pops down for some reason. If it hits the 20s again, I'll buy in. Okay, so let's go back to FTFT. Because it's in the... okay, I'll buy into here now. See, it's only $2 a share, so I can buy a lot of shares of this. I'm not worried about averaging down until I get into the thousands. A lot of volatility in this stock right now because there's big news on the tech day. FinTech announces China Copyright Protection Center has accepted company's application for applied blockchain technology related software copyrights. So whatever that means, it's soared up $1 today. So people are playing big money on here. 10,000 shares. Oh, there we go. Okay, I got 300 shares now. Look at all these shares just being passed back and forth. So many shares passed back and forth. Alright, I'm making a little bit of money. I don't want to sell it yet because I want it to go back up. I want it to go back up to the 80s so I can make, you know, 30, 40, 50 bucks. So let's hope it pops back up. I'm not worried if it drops because I'm already up $140. So alright, so I sold out of that. Plug I see dropped a lot. I might hit him for an entry. Ooh, thankfully I didn't buy right there. Missed it. It's dropping. So let's watch and see what it does. Yeah, everyone's selling off right now for some reason. Let's wait for the... okay, I'm gonna buy in. Because it's going crazy. And I like crazy. Need it to pop, pop, pop. There we go. There we go. I'm up 71 for the day. I need it to drop down again because we see it's going back and forth. If you see this downtrend, it's not looking good for long-term holds for today. That's why I'm in and out with it. There's a lot of support around 43, 47. So it could drop down 50 cents easily. So let's just wait. My long-term holds aren't doing too bad. On my other account, SPG is doing great for the last couple days. I'm still down, but this is my dividend account, so I'm not worried about being down 286 long term because I'm collecting dividends on 195 shares. I think it's around $1,100 a year in just SPG dividends. So I'm gonna let it ride forever. before the coronavirus, SPG was around $130 a share, and it dropped all the way down to 40. And I didn't start trading until, November. So I missed out on the big boat, and I bought in. I bought in a little late. So my average price is $88. So I'm down a little. But as soon as this corona stuff really ends, it's going back up. And I'm in it for the long haul, baby. Alright, I'm going to see if I could try my luck in Apple because it dropped down a little bit. It's still really high on the RSI chart, so I won't expect it not to drop, but I think I can see a little pop-up like this. Set my stop loss so I'm not taking a loss at all, and just ride the stop up while it rides up. See how long it goes. We can catch a river all the way up to the end. There it is. Now if it drops down again, I buy in again. It's a repeated process. This is day trading. Swing trading, you wait a little longer. Day trading is a little more instantly. And I do both, but like today I'm trying to get my gains back from the other day. The first day of the market, January 4th. It was a bloody day for everyone. And then with the riots yesterday, we were surprised with getting our gains back because the riots in DC, for some reason, we didn't care. And we all just kept buying stocks. And everything soared. So, I'm still trying to get my losses back. I think I lost a couple hundred. And then yesterday I made a couple hundred, so. The RSI is so big. Everyone's just trying to gain an Apple again because Apple took a big loss in the last couple days. I'll show you right now. Yeah, see, it was up. It was 135 the day before New Year's Eve. And it dropped. It just dropped for some reason. People just sold off their gains from 2020, and we're trying to recoup it. You see, the lowest was 126 yesterday. We're trying to recoup it. It's coming back, slowly but surely. Let's remove these drawings so I don't get confused. Alright, it's at 130. I might buy. Let's see what we got. Remember, I'm already up $22, so I can lose 22 and not really care. I'll average down if it goes down to the 80s, but I don't believe it will. There's so much demand right now. People want Apple to rise. I don't think anyone wants to sell off their Apple shares unless they're day trading, but I think everyone who got these gains already sold off if they were day trading because it started to consolidate. So right now it's not going to drop again. It's just not. There's too many strong hands, so it's probably going to go up. I'm just a little impatient, so I'm going to buy. I'm going to sell off like now because I'm very small with Apple. It's a lot of money. 100 shares is 13,000, and I'm only working with, my day trading buying power is 187,000, but I only have 50,000 in this account, so I don't want to go on margin. If something ever happened, took a big dip, I would be screwed. So I don't really mess with that unless I really think that it's going to pop back up. See if it drops back down to 129.99 where I bought in before. It's consolidating right now, so I feel safe just leaving the calls sitting there. Not sure if I'll be able to hit. I can't see myself buying in right now because RSI is so high. RSI, when it's higher than 70, it means it's overbought. When it's lower than 30, it means it's oversold. So usually you want to buy when it's around here. Let's try to find one that's oversold right now. Zoom is probably, oh, it's in the middle. Arc is going crazy. Yeah, it's not looking like anything's really doing bad. The market's not doing bad today. The SPY is at 379. I think that's the highest ever. Yeah. So we're not really gonna find anything that's. Let's see. Let's just find something just to show you. Alright, see, the RSI is 34 here. There's no volume. I don't think I'll even buy into this. I just wanted to show you that low RSI means everyone's selling off. Yeah, boring. Alright, let's find top 10 active New York Stock Exchange. What's going on with SOS? Alright, so I guess they added it in the stock watch for the day. Let's see how volatile it is. Yeah, big buyers, $10,000. That means $30,000 in one trade. Let's see. It's a little bit of movement. I like ones that have big movements, so I can get in and get out with a little profit. Okay, I don't want to buy in where it's over it. I'll catch 316 buy-in. There we go. So I'm in it. And I'm out it. Up $2. It's too slow. I don't really like too slow ones for day trading. I want to go back to that TTTT one. Or FTFT. Oh wow, it hit highs. Look at that, I missed out. Missed out on that boat. It's definitely going to drop though. It's not looking... It'll probably go up a little more, but it's going to drop again. Just like it did over here. Yeah, I'll buy in it. Let's see what happens. Up a $1. See, it's going to drop again. I'm not worried though, because I'm up $160 on it. We'll see. Look at that, it's still going. I'll ride it. 250 if anything. Alright, I'm going to take a break. More videos to come. Subscribe, like, and share, or comment even if you have something negative to say. All comments are good comments.